Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify embed Power BI visuals into a no-code web app step by step clearly. First, log into your Power BI account. Navigate to the report you want to embed. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. Select Publish to Web from the drop-down options. A warning message will appear regarding publishing data. Review the information carefully before proceeding. If you agree, click the Create Embed Code button. Once the embed code is generated, copy the iframe link provided. Next, open your no-code web app platform. Access the section where you can add custom code or widgets. Paste the iframe link into the designated area. Ensure the dimensions of the iframe align with your web page layout. Save your changes within the no-code platform. Preview your web app to see the embedded Power BI visual. Test the functionality to ensure interactivity works properly. Adjust any parameters in the embed code if necessary. Publish your web app once you are satisfied with the embed. Verify the embed works on various devices and screen sizes. Check for any data refresh settings in Power BI if necessary. Make adjustments to the visual or settings based on user feedback. Document the process for future reference or team training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.